In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this Kwikset door lock. There are two screws, one on this side, one on this side. Remove those screws like this. So once the screws are removed, you can remove this. This is the battery pack, goes in like this. Change the batteries, put it back, put the cover on, and it is all done. So let me replace the batteries. So I have put in new batteries. All I need to do is now just insert it back like this. This is done. Put the cover back and we're good to go. The indication of low battery is this: when this light, it blinks through this cover, through this indicator. When it starts blinking red after every couple of seconds, that means it is time to replace the battery. Thanks for watching.